Service sled replacement. To replace the service sled, you first have to remove the service sled door. There are 2 thumb screws that can be removed on each side. Once those are loosened, hinge the door down, slide it to the left, and remove. The next step is to manually turn the gear on the front using a T20 torque bit, or in the admin console, eject service sled. Which is automatically ejecting the sled. Once it gets to this point, you need to give it a little pull and it removes. To install the new service sled, tilt it at a slight angle. Push in. This can be manually inserted using the T20 bit, or back in the admin console, clicking Install Service Sled. Giving a little extra push as it tries to grab. Once it completes its installation, you can then replace the sled door. Retighten the 2 thumb screws up. And that is the service sled replacement and installation.